Okay. So this is what my, listen, I'll forget. Okay, once again. Swami Bhikshapati ji, read the shloka again.
Sakalartha Shastra Saram Jagati Samalokya Vishnu Sharmedam Tantrai Pancha Bhiretachkara Sumanoharam Shastram.
I want you to do the top shloka also, first one also. I forgot to. Once again, Manave.
Manave Vachaspataye Shukraya
Shukraya
Parasharaya Sasutaya Chanakyaya cha Vidushe Namostu Nayashastra Kurtabhyaha
Kartrubhyaha.
Yeah, Kartrubhyaha.
Yeah. Now tell me the second shloka's meaning. If just divide and just tell me, and wherever you find difficulty, I'll clear those hitches.
Sakala Artha Shastra Sara Jagati Samalokya Vishnu Sharmedam Tantrai Vishibhechakara Samam Sakala Artha Shastra Saram.
Very good. What is the meaning of Sakala Artha Shastra Saram?
The gist of all the Shastras.
Which Shastras?
Artha Shastras.
What is Artha Shastra here?
It's a Niti Shastra.
Yes,
like
very
that.
good. It is not political science. It's the Niti Shastra. Very good.
Jagati. The
Jagati
whole
means
world.
in the world. Jagati. Which vibhakti?
Jagati. Jaga.
Jagati comes in which vibhakti? Saptami. Jagati Jagato ho Jagatsu. Okay. In the entire world. Okay. In the world.
Samalokya.
Means?
Samalokya.
Having understood.
Alokya. Some alokya. What is alokanam?
Understanding.
Seeing. Seeing,
Okay.
observing.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Samalokya. By looking at all the Shastras. Next.
Vishnu Sharmedam.
How to divide this?
Vishnu Sharma.
Idam.
Very
Idam.
good. Very good. Uttamam. Vishnu Sharma. Idam. Idam means?
This.
This. Vishnu
This.
Sharma is a?
Is now giving the sum of all
What is
the
Vishnu Sharma? Who is Vishnu Sharma?
He's a writer here.
Author. Very good. Next.
Tantrai.
Tantra means?
Strategy.
Strategies or logic. Very good. Next.
This is difficult. Panchabhi.
Panchabhi is super. Next. Remove the Rakara is here. Rakara is Visarga. Panchabhi. Remaining is?
Tachika.
If you remove Rakara, there is some other syllable remain.
Eta Chakara.
Etat Chakara.
Eta Chakara.
Panchabhihi etat. What is etat?
This.
This. Chakara. What is Chakara? Did. Kara. Kriya. Karma.
Yeah.
Oh, Chakara
Etat
is
karma kritavan. He already did that. So past tense. Chakara. He did. Panchabhihi etat chakara. Once again.
Panchabhihi etat
Chakara.
Chakara.
Now read the entire shloka.
Tantrai.
Sakala.
Sakala. Sakalartha Shastra.
Sakala.
Sakala Artha Shastra Saram.
Sakala. Sakala Artha Shastra Saram.
Artha Shastra Saram. Jagati. Samalokya. Vishnu Sharma. Idam. Tantrai Panchabi
Panchabihi
Panchabihi Etach Chakar
etat
Etat Chakara
chakara. What he did?
Sumanoharam Shastram.
What is that?
Sumanoharam, very pleasant. He is bringing very simple and pleasant.
What is that? Shastram.
Shastram.
Panchantram is not just a book. It
Okay.
is a shastram. You will see only stories in it. But
Yes.
the core is a shastram, behavioral science, Niti Shastra Grandham. So whoever talks about Panchatantra, you should tell that it is a Niti Shastra Granthaha. It is not just a book, it is a scientific book of behavior. I did not tell any meaning, you people told the meaning today. Appreciate. Come on, Naran Paji, within next 6 months you should write shlokas.
Sakala Kalapara. Okay.
Sakala Artha Shastra Saram Jagati Samalokya Vishnu Sharma Idam Tantrai Panchapihi Etat Chakara Sumanoharam Shastram. Now, just we will go to the what we can say Vyakarana, like Vyakyana of this. What is this Vyakyana? The first shloka, Manave. We read this Manave shloka. See what commentator is giving. What is Manave? Who is that?
Manusmriti.
Kartre. For the Karta of Manusmriti. Next.
Vachaspati.
Who is Vachaspati?
Bruhaspati.
Who is Bruhaspati?
Is the
Guru Graha.
Guru Graha.
And he wrote a book called Barhaspatya. Next.
Sasutaya. Putra Yutaya. Okay.
Parasharaya. Who is that?
Parashara.
What he did?
Vyasamuni is Mahabharata and
Mahabharata is the Niti Grantha only, na? Next.
Chanakya.
Who is Chanakya?
Kautilya.
Very good. Ebhyo. To all these. Naya Shastra Kartrubhyaha. What is Naya Shastra?
Niti Shastra.
What is this word?
Pranetrubhya.
What is the meaning of Pranetrubhyaha? Kartrubhyaha is nothing but Pranetrubhyaha. Karta is a writer. Praneta is a creator.
Okay.
Next. Praneta is a person who just takes it into the society. So this is a shloka. The same meaning, okay? Understood the meaning here better?
Yeah.
Yes.
Next shloka. Sakala Shastra. Sakala. Sakalani.
Sarvesha
Shreshthana. Sakalanam means what? Sarvesham. Shreshthana. Shrestha means?
Superior.
Very good. Better, best. Artha Shastranam. Artha Shastra means here? You already told that. Next. Idam. Idam means? Idam book. This book means Vaksyamanam. To the work which I am going to explain. Saram. What is the meaning of Saram?
Tattva.
Tattvam. What is the meaning of Tattvam?
Principle.
Principle or essence. Next. Jagati. Jagati means?
Samsara.
Very good. Samalokya. What is the meaning of Samalokya here?
Anubhuya.
Not only by seeing, not only by observing, it is by experiencing all the books. Adhigamyacha, adhigatyacha. After getting good authority on all the books, then. So generally, after looking at 1 or 2 books, we'll write an article. After with experience, if you write an article, the essence will be different. So Vishnu Sharma, after going through all the books, after experiencing all the essence, after just getting command on all the concepts, then Adhigatyacha. Next, what he did? Sumanoharam.
Baladhimano.
What is Sumanoharam?
Baladhimano.
Well, yeah, that is Sumanoharam. That initially I thought Sumana means flower. That's how I took. So, but it is Sumanoharam, either Manoharam and Sumanoharam. Is that what it is?
Yeah. Manaha haram, which steals the heart, is Sumanoharam.
Yeah. But how to avoid mistaking it for something starting with Sumana, flower?
Sumana is not a flower, Swami.
Uh,
Who said Sumana is a flower?
I thought, okay.
Sumana is having good heart.
Okay. Okay.
Suma is a flower.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Suma is a different.
Yeah.
Sumana is a different.
Okay. Okay. All right, yeah.
Sumam. Sumam is a flower.
Yeah. Okay.
Kusumam is other flower. What is the Sumam and Kusumam difference? What is the difference between Sumana and Suma and Kusuma?
I don't know.
Suma is a flower. Ku means Bhumi. Bhumi Jata, Pushpa means Kusuma.
I see.
That's it. Just a difference. That's it. Okay. Baladi Manohari. Sumanohara means which attracts even to the children. Elder people will be obviously get attracted to stories or something which are good, but children will get attracted to it. Na? Panchadantram is something where children will get attracted to it. So Baladi Manoharam. Etat. What is etat here?
This
Panchashastra.
Panchatantrakyam. Name.
Panchatantra.
Akhyam means name. The name of Panchatantra. Shastram, Niti Shastram. Panchabhihi Tantraihi. Means what? With 5 Prakaranaihi chapters. Chakre. It was written. Sakala Niti Tattvam Atra Yadhavat Anubhutam Loke Parampara Praptam Cha Avalo. Parampara Praptam Cha. Balopakrutaye. Bala Upakrutaye. Upakruti means help. Which helps Bala, children, which helps the children, Nirupitam iti ashaya. This book will help children to grow better, to understand Niti Shastra better. So I was writing this book.
So very great philosophy in this actually. So he has deliberately written in a very simple language to make it understandable to even kids, children.
That's why I did. But even now, elder people, this book is nowadays called as corporate tantra.
Yeah, of course.
Many corporates are using these strategies and all for the betterment of their corporate companies.
Yeah.
But if the corporate companies grows high, what if it is taught to our children?
Yeah, because the corporate guys did not read it when they were kids, so they want to read it now.
No, they don't want to read it for themselves, na. They don't want to be. They don't want to read it for the betterment of the character. Nowadays, they want to read for the development of company.
Development of business. Okay.
Arthashastra is also. It is about a king, how to rule the people, how to understand the people. If I show you the index of Panchatantra, you'll be mesmerized. Just first chapter, if you want, I'll show you. That first chapter will tell you what he is going to tell. What he is going to tell in the entire book. It has 15 chapters book. Arthashastra is a 15 chaptered book where he taught many things, beautiful things. But this is called as personality development. But nowadays we were, what we can say, using it as a political book. Manave vachaspataye. I thought I have a book. Yes. Shastra of Kaudilya. Why I am interested to show you the books, because not only reading language, but also we should understand the poet's, mind. So now we went to Vishnu Sharma's mind. Now what Kaudilya's mind is. Can you read this?
Kautilya.
China
Kautaliyam.
What is the meaning of Kautiliyam?
Yeah, it is a ism.
Written by.
Oh. Oh.
Kautiliyam Arthashastra. Arthashastra written by Kautilya. Okay, we'll go to the main. These are all scholastic. These are also scholastic ideologies. Now, Swami, I generally believe in the core ideology of poets. If I don't understand, then go to commentary. Or else you will be led by the commentator, not the real poet. So I want to go to the first
Okay.
core ideology of the scholar. If you don't understand some points, go to commentary, check and come back. After reading the entire original part, then go to commentary to understand the special parts where I did not focus. So many people wrote their own ideologies and intrude their philosophies in the original book, and it becomes diluted. So I'm introducing you only the poet's mind, because remaining all are supporters. He is the real one. So this is Kautiliyam. From here, this is what Kautilya wrote. Okay, Chanakya. Shri Ganeshaya Namaha, Kautiliyam Arthashastram. Okay, next. Vinayadhikarikam Prathamam Adhikaranam. What is Prathamam?
The
First.
first chapter.
Adhikaranam.
Chapter.
Chapter. Very good. Chapter. What is the name it is?
Vinayadhikarikam.
What is Adhikarikam? Adhikari. Leader.
Lead.
How he should be? Obedient.
Okay.
So the name of the chapter is Obedient Leadership. Okay. So I'm just explaining you because the terminology should be understood. Obedient leadership. Okay. Namaha Shukra Brahaspatibhyam. Chanakya saluted to whom?
Shukra and Brahaspati.
Who are they?
They are the gurus of this thing, Devas and Asuras.
Very good. Brahaspati is a Deva Guru. Shukracharya is Rakshasa Guru. But they are teachers only, na?
Yeah.
And you know, previously I told those two scholars wrote two books. Shukracharya wrote Aushanasam, Brahaspati wrote Barhaspatyam. Both are Niti Shastras only. So he saluted to the both scholars in writing this. Next. Namah Shukra. This is all commentary actually. Next one. Next. Prasthapitani Prayashastrani Samhritya Aikam Idam Arthashastram Krutam. Prasthapitani. Prasthapitani means I kept. Sthapita means keeping. Prasthapitani, kept before you. What I kept before you? Prayashastrani. Prayashastrani. Praya means previous. Shastrani, books. Samhritya. Samhritya means gathered.
Samruddhi.
Gathered.
Yes,
Samhritya is gathered. Ekam idam ardhashastram kritam. How beautifully he told. I just studied all the shastras and I kept all those shastra books before you as one book. What is that? Ardhashastram. The name of this is Ardhashastram. I just previous from Manusmurti, all the books I read. I'm just keeping all the books before you as one book. Named Arthashastra. You don't need to go to all the other books for references. Don't go. Not required. This is enough. Tasya ayam prakarana adhikarana samuddeshaha. I'm going to give you the all the chapters Samuddeshaha, the ideology of the book. The first Samuddeshaha ideology. What is the first one? Vidya Samuddeshaha. What is Vidya Samuddeshaha? I'm going to explain about education. Next, Vruddha Samyogaha. What is Vruddha Samyoga? What is Samyoga?
Joining.
Yeah, association.
Yeah.
Vruddha Samyogaha.
Vruddha means old. So,
Yes.
yeah.
Association with the old. Indriya Jayaha. What is Indriya Jaya?
Indriya means senses.
Very
Jaya means victory over senses.
Very good. Next. We'll go to the Vyakyanam also, but still. Next. Amatyotpattihi. What is Utpatti?
Producing.
Producing whom?
Amatya,
Amatya means
minister. Amatya
ministers,
means
okay. Mantri, Purohita, Utpattihi.
okay. Mantri, Purohita, Utpatti.
Means what? Producing planners
Yeah.
and well-wishers.
Priest. Okay.
Next, Upadhabhihi, Shaucha, Ashaucha, Jnanam, Jnanam, Amatyanam. What is Amatya? Ministers. Shaucha, Ashaucha, Jnanam.
Yes.
What is the
What is
Shaucha?
Good.
Purity.
Pure.
Shuchi. Shuchi is
Shuchi.
Saucham. Purity and impurity of ministers. Next, Gudha Purusha Utpattihi.
Gura Prashanda, Gurachari.
Producing spice. Gudha Purusha Pranidhihi. How to the behavior of understanding the behavior of I can produce my own spice, but someone may create spice in my kingdom also.
Okay.
So I should have the knowledge of identifying the behavior of spy. Swavishaye, Kritya, Akritya, Paksha, Rakshanam. Every time I'll have an glitch of understanding right and wrong of my own people. Swavishaye, in my perception for my work, Krutya, Akrutya, Paksha, Rakshanam. Good people and bad people, doers and non-doers. We should protect the both. My elder son is a very good boy. My younger son is an idiot, fool. To whom I should protect and to whom I should not.
So we should protect both.
That's what. Doer and non-doer, good and bad, you should protect the both. You don't know in which circumstance who will be useful. He may be useful. The wrong guy also useful sometimes in some other perception. So you can't deny anybody how to protect them. Swavishaye, if it is for my perception. Paravishaye, if in other sense. Kritya, Kritya, Paksha, Upagraha. If someone does that wrong in some other side, how to show anger and how to control them. Not to kill them. Next, Mantradhikaraha. What is Adhikara? Authority of mantra, planning. Duta Pranidhihi. Duta, what Duta does? Should know how Duta behaves. What to do with the Duta? Duta is a messenger. How to understand him? What is his behavior? What punishments can be given? Whether we should protect them or not? Can we kill them or not? How to understand them? How to send a message through him to other people? Rajaputra Rakshanam. Protection of
Prince.
Prince, which is very, very important. Because sometimes, generally, every king's son will never be a good scholar. he'll be a polluted one or perverted one. But protecting him to be a next, what you can say, Varasa. There is a good word in English, I forgot. You know what is Varasatvam? Just now, yesterday, I just see that word. Okay, that's okay. Seer or something. There, he'll be the next.
Ancestor.
Huh?
Crown Prince.
Next higher or seer. There is something word. Okay. Next. Avaruddha Vruttam. The circle which should be avoided. Avaruddhe cha vrutti. To people, to some circumstances we will definitely avoid, but some are unavoidable. How to behave or how to understand them. Raja pranidhi. Behavior of a king. Nishanta pranidhi. The behavior of a king in the evenings. How to behave in the evening and night times or early morning times. Sandhya samaya. Atma rakshitakam. Self-defense. Iti vinayadhikarikam pradhamam adhikaranam. In first chapter, 18 things were explained. Nice, na?
Yes.
If we are perfect in this first chapter, I think we can control our family in a beautiful way. Is it not?
Yes, wonderful topics.
Unknowingly, we are doing all these things. I know
Yes.
how to protect my family. I know how to earn, how to plan, how to make my wife happy, and how to control, how to select. We know everything unknowingly. We feel like we know everything. We are doing it, but once you read it, then I think we can protect them in a more better manner. We can go to the commentary, but I want to introduce you, so I introduced it. Is it nice?
Yeah, very good. Sir. We have not read this in Telugu also. Yeah. I think here is Janapadati.
Janapada Viniveshaha. There is another things he explained in which Janapada Viniveshaha, Bhumichidra Vidhanam, Durga Vidhanam, Durga Viniveshaha, Sannidhatru Nichaya Karma. What are all these? About the public. How to establish a city, Janapada, or a village. Bhumichidra Vidhanam. How to where to start the construction. Durga Nidhanam. Where to place a. What is Durga?
Fort.
Yes, fantastic. Durga Viniveshaha, or how to construct a fort. I know Karnataka, in my research, I just found out Karnataka is the only place where there are Navavida Durgas were constructed. You know how many types of forts are there?
9 types.
9 types of forts. What are they?
I don't know.
Vana Durga. The forest, the fort around, like fort is established between the forest. Vana Durga. Jala Durga. The fort between water. The water is around, the fort is in between. Next, Daru Durga. The fort made up of wood. Ishtika Durga. What is Ishtika? Brick.
Oh, brick. Ituka. Okay.
Ituka. Ishtika become Ituka and eat also. Ishtika means brick.
Brick.
Next, Pashana Durga.
Rock stone.
Rock stone. And remaining mud, Mruttika Durga. The entire fort made up of mud, that's it. Stones and mud placed all the things. So in that way, there are different other 3, I forgot, but these are our basic things. So all the 9 types of forts are around some other places. Beautiful forts. If you go to forts in India, you find any fort in this type only. But all the forts were constructed in Karnataka. So one place stayed to see all types of forts from ancient time to till today. Still they are existing. Naradurga. Another one is Naradurga. What is Naradurga?
Made of people.
How it is made up of people?
Protective soldiers.
Yes. Soldiers, every bit of the fort is called a Naradurga. And I think I told 7. I forgot the remaining 2. I'm sorry. Okay. So that was one of a important task of my PhD. Okay. So in that way, these are the things explained. Next. Akshapatale Gananikyadhikarah Samudayasya Yuktapahritasya Pratyanayanam Upayukta Pariksha. How to test the people who are useful. Shasanadhikarah, who got authority of command. Kosha Praveshya Ratna Pariksha. Testing of gems which will go inside the treasure. Kosha Pravesha Ratna Pariksha. Akara Karmanta Pravartanam. What is Akara? You'll be happy listening to the meaning of this word. Akara Karmanta Pravartanam. What is Akara?
No idea.
Tax.
Oh, price tax.
Akara.
Kara is
Tax.
Kara is a tax.
Akara is taking the tax. No?
Okay, Akara.
Akara Karmanta Pravishanam. What works and what tax to be associated? Akshashalayam Suvarna Chakshaha and Vishikhayam Savarnika Pracharaha. Authorities of gold. Koshtagara Chakshaha. Keepers, treasure keepers. Panya Chakshaha. Panam is also tax authoritative. Kupya Jakshaha. Kupam is also sub-tax, authorities of sub-tax. Ayudhagara Jakshaha. You know this, na?
Yeah. Where weapons are stored.
The weapon treasure keepers. Yeah. Or what you can say? Okay, weapon keepers. Tulamana Pautavam. Tulamana. Like
measuring
people. Desha Kala Manam. Desha Kala timekeepers. Yes. Shulka Dhyakshaha. Shulka is price controllers. Sutra Dhyakshaha. Sutram. Formatting people. Sita Dhyakshaha. Sura Dhyakshaha. What is Sura Dhyaksha?
Wine control.
Keepers of wine treasure. Suna Dhyakshaha, Ganika Dhyakshaha, Nava Dhyakshaha, Go Dhyakshaha, Ashwa Dhyakshaha, Hastya Dhyakshaha, Radhya Dhyakshaha, Patti Dhyakshaha, Senapati Pracharaha, Mudra Dhyakshaha. What is Mudra?
Printing of currency.
Vivita Dhyakshaha, Samahartru Pracharaha. Who is bringing in what he is taking? Supervisors. So he explained everything in. So in the first chapter, he explained in which chapter I am going to explain what. The first chapter is about the behavior of king and like mantri, senapati. Second chapter is this. Third, in that way he explained all the index in first chapter. He starts with the second chapter. So these are all very important. If you want to start a new administration or a new country, I think you need all these things.
But a lot of research might have gone during that age, that period. He has thought of all this.
Please see this. Iti adhyaksha pracharo nama dvitiyadhikaranam. In the second chapter, I explained all these adhyakshas. I want to tell about those people who protect the kingdom. Okay, so now this is third chapter. So I want to introduce you to this book. it is not easy to teach Arthashastra in our classes. But I'm introducing you because what marvels, what great gems are there in Sanskritam and how they led it. If I tell about Arthashastra, okay, you will understand about Kautilya and okay, he wrote a book about administration, that's fine. What is the first chapter? It is a cumulative subject of all the explained topics according to the chapters. And what he is going to explain in the first chapter, we read. What happens if we read that Arthashastra? At least we learn. First chapter helps us to be a good parent, maybe. Not maybe a good, may not be a good king, but maybe a good parent and a leader. So I introduced you to Amarakosha. Do you remember Amarakosha written by?
Yes. Amara.
Amarakosha written by? Amarasimha.
Amara, yes.
Amarasimha wrote Amarakosha. Arthashastra written by?
Kautilya.
Uttamam, Uttamam. Raghuvamsham written by?
Kalidasa.
So you got introduced to how many books now?
Yes.
3 marvels, 3 great books. Okay, if you have interest, go through the Arthashastra. You have English commentaries also. May be useful. If you go through Sanskritam, I'll be the satisfied person.
Yeah. Jari, can I ask a quick question? You know, what this thing, understanding?
No one can stop you, Swami.
Yeah, I'll read a sentence. Please tell me if there is something wrong with the sentence or how to correct it. Okay.
Okay.
This is Yadyapi lokayanena yatra klishta asti tathapi tena eva karyalayam gacchati. I mean, to me, this is a sentence that has been taught. It sounds wrong. Okay. I mean, maybe you can correct it, you know. Is it a correct sentence grammar wise?
Okay. I wanted to know who wrote this and what he wanted to tell.
You know, Samskrita Bharati, they have a course, you know, they teach. Okay. So this is a sentence they have, you know, published. And it doesn't sound right, you know, grammatically it sounds wrong. That's
Okay.
why.
Did they give the meaning under it?
No, it is for teaching Yadyapi and Tathapi, you know, to use of Yadyapi and Tathapi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So the whole sentence is given except these 2 words which have to be filled in. Okay. So the whole sentence, when you fill up Yadyapi and Tathapi, it reads Yadyapi lokayanena yatra klishta asti tathapi tena eva karyalayam gacchati.
Okay, what's wrong in it?
Yeah, you know, this thing, tena, when there is tena, is gacchati present tense correct by him? So, can you say, give present tense with the tena? You know, it has to be karmani prayoga, wouldn't it?
Yeah, karmani prayoga, tena gamyate.
Yeah, that's what it should have been, isn't it? Yeah.
It's okay. Swami, so words or not, the concept is important. Yadyapi tadhapi feeling is important. So karta karma prayoga is a lateral, what we can say, scholastic concept, like scholarism concept. Next level of people who understand grammar, then they correct. The basic people, what they need? Yadyapi tadhapi. What is yadyapi? Yadyapi Ramaha Rajapurushaha tadhapi Varangataha. Even though Rama is a king, he went to forest. Tadhapi. Yadyapi, however, he is a king. Tadhapi, even though he went to forest. You can make thousands of sentences like this. So Yadyapi Tadhapi is important. So Tena, if it is here it was Tritiya Vibhakti, then definitely should be Karmani Vachana Gamyate.
Yeah, okay. And then similarly, Lokayanena Yatra Krishta Asti. It probably should have been Lokayana Yatra, one word, shouldn't have been correct?
Both are right, Swami. It's not like it should be a one word. Lokayana Yatra is a, like, you know, Lokasya, Yanasya, Yatra. 3 words. You made a samasa, He divided, that's it. What's wrong in it? That's
Yeah.
not a big deal. That's okay.
Yeah, okay.
What is Lokayanam?
Is a bus.
Bus. Shatchakrika is bus. Lokayana means public transport.
Yeah,
Anything, whether maybe a train or anything public transport.
yeah.
That's okay. That's not a mistake, Swami. That,
Yeah.
that should be understood, because in initial stages, you can't learn everything right.
Yeah, okay.
Sometimes pronunciation problems, sometimes grammatical mistakes. Sanskrita Bharati's concept is, as much as mistakes you can just spell, as much as mistakes you can do, but later you can get corrected. However, Sanskrit has such a beauty that slowly you will understand. See, now you found out a mistake. How Narayan Pai found a mistake? How many mistakes he might have done? How many areas he went through? How much experience he got? And now he is able to find out a mistake means what? You got a support from Sanskrit language. So Sanskrit language is blessing you to find out mistakes. So that's okay. Doing mistakes is fine. Anyone will do mistakes. I know many professors did mistakes. I do mistakes many times even if I teach you. After the class, I feel, I might have not told that. Even I correct my mistakes when I teach you too. Even today also 1 or 2 mistakes went through. That's fine. It's not wrong teaching mistakes, Swami. That's okay.
Yeah, okay. And one other thing is like, for example, aham putrasya krute kandukam dadami, or aham putrya krute panchalikam dadami. I mean, when you are saying something like giving, to directly giving to somebody, putrasya krute, is it correct? For example, yeah.
I'll tell you something very clearly.
Yeah.
We are reading original Sanskrit.
Yeah.
We in our class.
Yeah.
Because I'm not associated with Sanskrita Bharati because of one small flaw.
Yeah.
That's not a flaw, but their nature, tendency.
Yeah.
In Sanskrita Bharati, they just bring the language to the people and just teach them.
Yeah.
In which they add some krite and some other words to easily understandable to others.
Yeah.
Krite is not required. Mama, putraya, for my son,
Yeah.
kandukam dadami is enough.
Yeah.
Chaturthi vibhakti is enough. Why to bring that putrasya krude? Now there are 2 words here, sashti vibhakti and some other. That's not wrong.
Yeah.
That's a mean, or that's a tool of bringing language to closer to the student. Putrasya krite aham karomi. Kimartham karoshi putrasya krite. In Hindi we do na bete ke liye. Bete ke liye, beti ke liye.
Yeah.
So they bring this Hindi-ism, Hindi-ism, because like Sanskrit, so bringing Hindi people closer to Sanskrit is easy, na?
Yeah.
So for that, there are some linguistic approaches of other languages impacted on Sanskrit. That's okay.
Yeah. No, but
that is not wrong, Swami, but actually is not there in Sanskrit.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
It's not wrong. You can form a sentence like putrasya krite. This is called as krutya prachaya.
Yeah. No, that is fine. But for example, if I'm saying putrasya krite krinami or putrasya krite nayami, then it is fine. But when it is dadami, when I'm directly giving it to him,
it's okay. It's okay. That's not wrong, Swami. That's okay. The sentence is fine, but it is not used often in our Sanskrit language. Somewhere, once in a while, we use it original Sanskrit language, but they use it in every sentence for easily understandable. For better understanding, they use this. It's not wrong, grammatically not wrong, but we use it very less and very, very, very little we use it in original Sanskrit language. They use it often. That's it.
Yeah. Okay.
And particularly in Sanskrit Bharati, there is no dvivachana.
Yeah. That's
They don't do that. No dvivachana. Saha asti, te santi. But in Sanskrit, entire literature, you have dvivachanam. They don't use that.
Yeah.
And Madhyama Purusha will not be there.
Yeah.
And Tvam kim karoshi? What are you doing? Tvam kim paniyam pibasi? Are you drinking water? Tvam kim khadasi? What are you eating? They don't use. Tvam kim khadati? Tvam kim pibati? Kim tvam agachati? They use ti only.
Yeah.
So Dvivachanam and Madhyama Purusha, they deleted it.
Yeah.
They feel it's not that important in initial stages to teach children. Let them have a non-confusion language. Later on, when they are having the capability of understanding a language in Sanskrit book, they'll go through. It is their ideology. But
Mm.
I'm a bit against it.
Yeah.
So I did not associate. I have many chances to go to Sanskrit Bharati in Hyderabad, and I was many people ask me, even if people ask me, but I should follow their rules when I teach.
Yeah.
But I'm see, however people follow like blindly. If I'm in Sanskrit, I should follow the grammar rules blindly.
Yeah.
If I'm in Sanskrit Bharati, I should follow the Sanskrit Bharati rules blindly. Nothing is wrong. Every system is to train children, but I don't want to skip the
Mm.
Dvivachanam and Ditya Vibhakti. I don't know. I'm rigid in that, so I did not associate.
No, but if in Sanskrit there is Dvivachana and Madhyama Purusha, and if you eliminate it and don't use it and use only Bahuvachana and Tritiya Purusha, then it is wrong, isn't it? It is not, then it is not Sanskrit. It is something, it is Sulabha Krita or Sarala Krita. It is not Sanskrit. That is not right. You
I
can't.
was like, when I'm immediately after my PG, they asked me to join and associate and just chalo, we'll do prachara, Raghuram, you are doing good. Yeah, I said, if you add this, I'll come. They said, we can't do that. That's okay. Thank you. No problem. I'm happy, however, wherever I am.
Yeah.
So maybe some people commented me that you are so rigid, Raghuram. You are like, preschooling ideology. For modern society, you should change yourself. They said everything, but
No, then
I didn't.
there's no point in learning this kind of Sanskrit if you can't read scriptures, because we don't need another language.
Their ideology is also good, Swami, because there was a book, Adhunika Samskrita Vyakaranam. They wrote a book on this without Madhyama Purusha and Dvivachanam.
Yeah.
Grammar, the grammar book without these two.
Yeah.
So they follow set of rules and tell that, okay, after reaching one state, they can add those Dvivachanam and Madhyama Purusha, they can understand it easily. That's not a big deal.
Yeah.
It's their perception, but
Acharya, one question.
yeah, Swami.
In formal education like intermediate and graduation, which system is followed, the traditional or the Sanskrit Bharati system?
Traditional. No, the Sanskrit Bharati is not in education system.
Okay.
They wanted people to understand. They are going to masses.
Mass.
Why
Yeah.
this? Because in English there is no Dvivachanam and Titiya Bhakti.
Yes, understand.
In other languages there is no Dvivachanam and Titiya Bhakti. In Telugu there is no Dvivachanam and Titiya Bhakti. So that's why they wanted to bring Sanskrit closer as they read from their language.
Closer to the
They are
people.
good, but I don't commend them, but I'm not accepting their ideology. That's it. It's my personal opinion. So that's why, see, there are few things like iti chet, iti and chet. Tvam agachyati chet, aham api agachyami. The word chet will be used often. Aham agachyami chet kim bhavati tatra. Bhavati iti tatra chet tatra na bhavati. So this type of language will be there, and iti chet etc. is like butler English, If you train language properly, you will be trained properly. If you train butler English, it is very difficult to get trained in a proper English, formal English,
Yes,
See,
yeah,
I was trained in that because grammatically not learned. So my English is not that good because I was not trained properly. If I was trained in Sanskrit properly, so I may talk Sanskrit in a better way. Okay, whatever I learned, I can just understand. See, every book easily understandable. Every work easily understandable. Dvivachanam, Ditya Vibhakti, Madhyama Purusha, everything is easy. So if I read that grammar, sometimes I may get stuck. What is this? It is not there. I learned. So I think my teachers encouraged me like that. They made me rigid, so I'm rigid. That's okay. So that is a language which reaches the public to understand the basic things of Sanskrit, which is very important. That's good, Swami. But for scholars, concepts for reading formal Sanskrit, if you love towards Sanskrit, you may not read that. That's it. Very nice today. I introduced you Ardha Shastra with some shlokas, first chapter. I think you got some interest to read Arthashastra or what?
Yeah, it is a very big assignment actually. So
If once if you read, you'll be very happy. You can train others. Na? Chalo Swami, we'll meet maybe after 2 weeks because
Okay.
next week I have some work and I'm just taking a vacation for the first time in the United States. Okay, just a second.
Okay. No.